Assalamualaikum, grade 3. As you know, that we are working very hard on your videos. First, we prepare it for you. First, we write the answers, then we make video, then we upload. So we are using much time to guide you better. Please watch the videos and do your assignment completely. May Allah bless you with good health today. Inshallah, in this video, we will solve the exercises of the wooden bowl. uh, Chapter number 2, Oxford Modern English, page number 17. Okay, so exercises comprehension. Answer the following question: where did the family live? What did Manfred do for a living? Who was Thekla? Why was Kurt's handshake? Why was Wilhelm making wooden bowl? How did Thekla and Manfred treat the old man? Whose eyes filled with tears? Why? So these are the questions, and for their solution, just see the presentation. Inshallah, you will be guided in a good way. First of all, at the page, you will have to write title, Chapter 3, Wooden Bowl, words to know. Then, exercises, comprehension. Answer the following question: where did the family live? Where did the family live? The family lived in a small town of Germany. Where did the family live? The family lived in a small town of Germany. What did Manfred do for a living? He was carpenter. What did Manfred do for a living? He was carpenter. Who was Thekla? Thekla was Manfred's wife, and she was mother of Wilhelm. Who was Thekla? Thekla was Manfred's wife. Why did Kurt's hand shake? Kurt's hand used to shake because he was old. Why was Wilhelm making a wooden bowl? Wilhelm was making wooden bowl to give his parents in their old age. Wilhelm was making a wooden bowl to give his parents in their old age. How did Thekla and Manfred treat the old man? They treated him cruelly. They punished him by making him sit in a corner and eat from a wooden bowl. They treated him cruelly. They punished him by making him sit in a corner and eat from a wooden bowl. Whose eyes filled with tears? Why? The parents' eyes filled with tears because they realized that they had been unkind to the old man. Now, part 2. Answer the questions about these lines from the story. They looked in his room, but he was not there. Where could that boy be? Who looked in the room? Who asked the question? Whom were they looking for, and why? Where was the missing person found? So, obviously the answers: who looked into room? Thekla and Manfred looked into the room. Who asked the question? Thekla asked the question. Whom are they looked for, and why? They were looking for Wilhelm for the evening meal. Where was the missing person found? He was in the workshop. These are the questions. Now let's move toward the next topic. Working with words. Match at the page number 18. Match the following column. In the evening, they sat down to dinner. They brought him a cheap wooden bowl. They all lived in a little old house. The son earned a good living. The old man did not complain. The little boy was making a bowl. You can watch and you can match it. Find the words in the story for the following. A person who makes things out of wood. Obviously, he is carpenter. To cut the wood or stone into shapes. Carving. The father of one's mother. Grandfather. A room where someone does a job. Workshop. Wife of sons. Daughter-in-law. No. Learning about language, verb. Do you remember you learned about verbs? A verb is doing word. Example, Naila screamed when she saw the snake. What did Naila do? She saw the snake. She screamed. Saw and screamed are verbs. These words tell us Naila did. A verb is a doing verb. It shows action. Students, what is the definition of verb? Verb is a doing word. It shows action. Underline the verbs in the following. Naila sat beside the road. Verb is sat. She read her book and waited for the bus. She read and waited. They are verb. A boy came past on his bicycle. Came. The wheel of the bicycle hit a stone. Hit. This is verb. The bike fell over. Fell is verb. The boy went flying through the air. Landed in front of Naila. Flying and landed. Catch a bus next time, said Naila. The boy smiled and rubbed his knees. Catch, said, rubbed, smiled. These are all verbs. Sat, read, waited, came, hit, fell, flying, landed, catch, said, smiled, rubbed. These all are verb. Verbs are action verb. They shows someone doing. So on your notebook you can see learning about language heading. What is verb? A verb is doing word. It shows an action. Write any 5 verb. You will have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples of any 5 verb. Write and learn in a good way. You can watch the page preview. Next comes of learning and learning about language. Second part, choose the verb from the box to complete the following. Use the correct form of verb and use each verb only once. Play, drink, watch, catch, rest. They rest for an hour every afternoon. They rested because they said that you will have to use true form of verb. Jason and Mary play with their friends in the garden. No. Jason and Mary play. Sarah drank a whole glass of milk before going last night. Drank. D-R-A-N-K. Drank. Because this is the drink and you are using its correct form. Drank. She dash television every year. She watches television every year. Catch a cold last week is better. No, it's catch, but you will have to use second form. Caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught a cold last week because it's a past tense. Rested, play, drank, watches and caught. Listening and speaking. Read the listed words aloud. Be careful how you say the words. These are tongue twisted words. Cheap, sheep, chip, ship. There, they are. Stare, stare. Ear, year. Early, yearly. Far, for, fair, fear. So, listen the words carefully again and see the differences. Cheap, sheep, chip, ship. There, they are. Stare, stare. Year, year. Early, yearly. Far, for, fair, fear. Now choose the words and say it aloud. Your friend, he or she spell the word correctly? So this is the game, this is the activity. You must have read one word aloud and expect another friend to say. Do you have grandparents? Where do they live? What did they do to earn their living? Do they still work? Think about your grandparents for a few minutes, then tell the others in your class a few interesting things about them. Write here the descriptions about the grandparents. Here on the book, you will have to write the descriptions about your grandparents. The last final, let me see. The last one final is the composition. Also, you will have to make the page of the notebook like listening and speaking. Do you have grandparents? Write about it. My grandparents. Write some things about, do they still work? Do what did they do to earn their living? Think about your grandparents for a moment and write them on your notebook here. Composition. Have you ever made anything? Draw the picture and write it about it. Have you ever made anything? Whatsoever you have made, any artwork, masterpiece, any pencil box, anything which you have made or decorated, you can write and draw a picture about it. So what did you make? How did you make it? Why did you make it? Who did you make it for? So all these sentences should be added in your composition writing. So a short and comprehensive, make a smaller box of 4 to 5 lines and also draw the picture which you have, the thing which you have made, and finally the last page will be left blank for the assessments. Thank you for your concentration. Always be careful about your work. Do your work neatly. Watch the videos again and again. Keep in touch with school so that you may be guided as well for the further things. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.